We use our vehicles on a daily basis. The customer service would be the thing I respect the most. They talk to you like you're human. Nicole has showed me more compassion through my last breakdown. She went above and beyond to make sure I was able to get my vehicle back up and running. The communication is 100% upfront. Every step of the process is there. Never once have they done anything without making sure I'm in the loop and agree to it. They walked me through the whole process. I was able to ask questions about a truck I didn't know nothing about. It was impressive to me that they took the time in their inspection to actually teach me. Colorado Car Care to me is a lifeline.
Colorado Car Care. 4 locations, one trusted name in auto care.